Hello, I'm Joseph.
Hi, I'm Sarah, and
And
we are
we're
here
in
at Shinagawa Diagnostic.
We decided to have our checkup here in Shinagawa because we see that this is a Japanese standard checkup.
And kilala ang Japan for reliable equipments and facilities. So, we decided na mag-go through sa Shinagawa Diagnostic kasi hassle-free na rin po siya. And very convenient for us, lalo na sa mga walang oras, and yung paano sila mag-take care sa mga customers nila, clients. So, very concerned din po ako as a woman sa health ko. Syempre, gusto ko rin maging panatag sa overall health ko.
Kinuha ko yung men's package kasi may concern ako about sa weight ko. Tsaka gusto ko malaman if meron ba akong existing sakit na hindi ko pa alam. And para rin sa family ko, malaman ko kung matagal ko pa sila makakasama. Overall experience here in Shinagawa Diagnostic, yung facility nila napakalinis and tahimik siya. Yung mga makikita yung mga professionals dun sa mismong stations nila, they're very knowledgeable on their field. So wala na akong masabi pa. Overall okay talaga.
Thank you so much, Shinagawa Diagnostic, for giving us an exceptional experience.
Thank you, Shinagawa Diagnostic, for accommodating, very professional na pag-care niya sa aming mga client.